Hello, everyone. Do you find yourself tossing empty toothpaste tubes in the rubbish? Well, hold on. In this video, I'll show you a clever trick to give those tubes a second life, and all you need are some thin stick candles and, of course, your empty toothpaste packaging. Before you throw that toothpaste tube away, watch this. Cut off the back end and then snip off the front piece of the toothpaste packaging. Open it up by cutting it along the side. Make sure it's completely empty. No toothpaste left. You can wipe it clean or rinse it under the tap. The key is to have it free of toothpaste and completely dry. Now, cut the sides a bit so you can wrap it directly around the candle. Leave a small amount of excess to glue it together. Wrap it around the candle, making sure the shiny side faces outward. Grab some super glue and secure the wrapping as shown in the picture. Now, let's light them side by side for a direct comparison. Notice how, over time, the regular candle on the right starts dripping wax quickly, while our toothpaste-wrapped candle keeps the wax in check. This means you can enjoy the candle much longer without the wax running away. And here's the money-saving part. You'll find that the wrapped candle lasts longer. So, before you discard those toothpaste tubes, why not give this trick a try? If you find this tip helpful, show some love by hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel. It would make my day. Thanks for watching.